Sa isang lungsod na kilala sa sining at kultura, pinaparangalan ang mga artist na hindi lang nagpapakita ng talento, kundi nagdudulot ng pagbabago. Mula sa iba't ibang kwento, iba't ibang pinagmulan, isang gabi ng pagkilala sa mga boses na humuhubog sa komunidad. Ako si Dong Robles at ito ang Profile Overseas Diaries. Banayad na musika, katamtamang setup at isang maayang paligid. Ganito ang ginawang preparasyon ng Toronto Arts Foundation team para sa gabi ng pagkilala at parangal sa mga bagong umuusbong at kinikilalang artist sa Toronto, Canada, ang Toronto Arts Awards 2026.
Mission of the foundation overall is just that every Torontonian should have access to free or low cost funding for different artists and organizations to create programming and create events. And also for the awards, it's a good way of just recognizing, spotlighting, and highlighting some of these artists that are doing this work out in community. And also all of the awards come with a cash prize, so that can help them make more art.
Tonight is all about celebrating the finalists and recipients of the 2026 Toronto Arts Awards, and especially the 6 recipients of the Newcomer Artist Award, sponsored by Bell, and which will be handing out later tonight. Newcomers make up, I don't know if you know this, but newcomers make up over 46% of Toronto's population. They're integral to the identity of our city and to the rich and varied cultural and creative life that we enjoy here. The Newcomer Artist Award program is one of the ways that we shine a spotlight on the incredible newcomer talent in this city and help artists move their careers forward when they come to Toronto. We are so proud to celebrate their work and their lived experience and the perspectives that they bring to our life here in Toronto. Our Newcomer Arts Award recipients and most of our other award finalists are here tonight. I hope you've all had a chance to meet them. I hope you've all had a chance to celebrate with them and congratulate them. Congratulations to all of you, our awards finalists and recipients this season, and thank you for everything that you do for our city.
Aming Newcomer Mentorship Program, sponsored by the Toronto Arts Foundation. Ano yung Newcomer Mentorship? Bagong dating ka rito na artist, gusto mong ipagpatuloy yung nagawa mo kasi pagdating dito hindi ka kilala eh. So, tuturuan ka nila kung paano mag-restart ng art practice mo dito sa Toronto. Sponsored yan ng TD Bank at saka ng maraming institutions dito. And then part ito na tinuturuan kami kung paano makipag-usap sa mga organisasyon gaya ng Center at iba pang mga centers dito ng art para magkaroon ng project. So tinuruan kami gumawa ng proposal, tinuruan kami gumawa ng programa, tinuruan kami mag-budget.
Itinatag noong 1995, ang Toronto Arts Foundation isang non-profit organizations na naglalayong palakasin ang sining sa lungsod at sa pamamagitan ng mentorship, networking at financial support para sa mga artists. Hindi lamang ito isang parangal, kundi ito'y isang sistema ng suporta na nagbibigay ng oportunidad para sa patuloy na paglago ng creative community.
Thank you, TAP. Thank you, City of Toronto. You've been great supporters of ours, and we're happy that we can reciprocate back. And just a quick reflection. We're a technology company. How do we and why do we get involved with the arts? And if you think about it, we build networks. That's what we do. And connections matter. And we think of the art community, we think of artists who are trying to collaborate beyond borders, beyond geography. Connections matter. I will double down on something that you had mentioned. And I implore all of you in the room tonight, sponsors, hosts, artists, keep doing what you're doing. We will continue to support you. The work that you do makes society a better society. It encourages us to love more, care more, accommodate more, and inclusion more. So thank you once again. Thank you for the honor. Thank you for the privilege.
Sa gabing ito, hindi lang pagkilala ang ibinibigay kundi konkretong suporta sa kanilang sining at kinabukasan.
All of the people that are finalists, so shortlisted for the prizes, will get some sort of cash prize, and then the recipient or the winner gets a larger cash prize. But everybody walks away with something, and then they're also added into this sort of community of artists that work cross-discipline and can share their networks and resources and things like that.
Para sa mga artist, ang gabing ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa tropeo, kundi sa validation ng kanilang kwento, sakripisyo at pangarap. Sa bawat palakpak, bawat pagkilala, naroon ang pag-asa na ang gabing ito ang magiging tulay sa mas maraming proyekto, mas malawak na audience at mas matibay na pangalan sa kanilang larangan.
I think they should understand that Toronto is a big player in the global arts and culture scene. There's a lot going on here. And I think it's a growing scene and it's an exciting scene and it's a place that people should give more credit to, give more thought to, and check out if they have the chance. You know, it can pull its weight on the same scale as a New York or a London or an LA, and it's a very special place.
Sa likod ng bawat parangal ay may kwento ng pakikibaka, pag-asa at tagumpay. At sa gabing ito, hindi lamang mga artista ang nagwagi, kundi ang buong komunidad. Bigyang halaga natin ang sining at ipakita natin ang ating pagsuporta dahil dito nagsisimula ang pagbabago. Mula dito sa Toronto, Canada, ako si Dong Robles para sa Profile Overseas Diaries.